Maruchan Seimen Shoyu Ramen. Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of CA Slurps and Street Mondays. We're trying some noodles from Japan. My friend Shione got this for me when she was last there. Actually, she got her parents to put it in their suitcase when they came to visit her, so she had a whole list. So there'll be a few different Japanese ramen that we'll be trying over the next couple weeks, including this big one, which is a premium shoyu ramen, which I'm super excited to try. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, so we got our noodles here. We have our wonderful flake packet, our sauce, liquid sauce seasoning, and of course our dried nori. So add in your flakes here. We got a big piece of chashu there. This is so exciting. Add in your boiling water up into the fill line. Put your sauce packet on top. Let that cook for 5 minutes. Open it up. And then lastly, add in your shoyu, so your liquid shoyu seasoning. Give it a bit of a stir. And then of course, top with your nori. This looks mouth-watering, deliciously amazing. Cannot wait to try it. Finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Wow, this is so good! Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've had like instant noodle that really feels like a real bowl of noodles going to my local ramen shop. This is a beautiful bowl of shoyu ramen that comes with what I think is the most exciting part, a piece of chashu, which is included in the bowl as well. So that it comes as dehydrated along with the flakes, which are large chunks, not like the tiny little sprinkles and things that you usually get with normal instant noodles. This is really a premium ramen. You have that nice one piece of chashu, so it's a bit more on the fatty side, so a little bit like similar to a pork belly. The flakes also include menma, which is a marinated bamboo shoot, which I personally love in my own bowls of ramen. Lots of pieces of negi or green onion, and it's super flavorful. I mean, the broth, classic shoyu broth there. I got nice bits of fat in there, which are glistening in the broth as you see, and you drink it up. It's delicious. It's super clean, rich tasting without feeling super heavy, which sometimes I find with tonkatsu based ramen or tori paitan, which is like a chicken based ramen. This one is super nice and clean. I love this flavor, and I'm not even the biggest fan of shoyu, but this one might actually have me converted. Along with that, I forgot to mention, you got like nice 2 pieces of nori or dried seaweed that comes in it, so it really feels like you're in a nice ramen shop serving up full of noodles. Speaking of noodles, these ones are super slippery, take a little bit longer to hydrate. I found out they were a little bit difficult to untangle. By the time I came here after, I would say like maybe at the 6-minute mark, it was perfectly able to kind of loosen and slurp up. Really good mouthfeel in these ones. A little bit of resistance, not as chewy as say as like a Korean one, but very, very tasty indeed. And yeah, very hearty, primo bowl of instant ramen that I would definitely have again. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 5 out of 5. Yes, it's been a while since I've given 5 out of 5, so this is generously delicious and amazing, authentic, wonderful. Don't get turned off. You see Maruchan Japan is so much more tasty. And stay tuned, there's gonna be more of these in my next Japanese kind of series, so stay tuned. And will I buy this again? Yes, if I ever get myself to Japan or get more friends to come over there. This is awesome. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. See you for next week. Bye!